Hi, my name is Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're looking at the 2019 Sea Ray 21 SPX. Right. This boat has a nice walkthrough, that way you never have to step foot on the upholstery. Has infinity woven flooring. There's 3 strands, so it's easy to snap in and out. Here in the bow, it's very spacious and roomy. It's Fusion speakers. This center cushion actually pops out and there's non-slip texture. There's a little better view of that. That way you never have to step foot on the upholstery. Obviously there's a ski locker underneath. Your co-captain chair has a nice flip-up bolster. Onto the helm. Again, another flip-up bolster, nice comfortable chair. It's got a Fusion head unit. This one is the upgraded package, so it comes with courtesy lights. It's blue lights in the cup holders, as well as blue rope lighting. There's lots of chargers aboard. It's just a nice boat. There's a cooler to the side here, and then under this back bench seat is a fully insulated cooler, which is nice, has a drain in the bottom. This boat is powered by a 250 horsepower engine. It's a MerCruiser engine. It's a 4.5 liter. And again, my name is Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Stop out and check out this boat or one of our other boats on our show floor today.